Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to talk to you as a general contractor on how you should be pricing your services. Like, what should you actually be charging as a general contractor? And as a general rule, general contractor, punny. Generally speaking, God, how many different ways can I say general in this video? Bottom line, 20% isn't going to cut it. If you've got a project that's going to be $100 grand and you're only going to take away $20,000 for the estimating, the permitting, the permit management, calling the inspections, handling the subs, scheduling the subs, getting the materials ordered, making sure the materials are verified, getting the subs scheduled, rescheduling the subs when they cancel, quality assuring things, making sure that when the subs are actually there, they're not cursing and yelling at your client, making sure that they're not drunk on the job. Like, all these things, doing the accounting, doing the advertising. 20%, it's not gonna pay for all that unless you're doing literally a $20 million project. Then 20% is actually a conversation because it's actually real money. But on a $100,000 project, 20 grand, how many $100,000 projects can you really get done in a year if you're only charging 20%? I mean, at the point of having 5 projects, you're only making 100 grand and you're gonna be overwhelmed with those 5 projects if they're at 100 grand. So realize that 20% isn't going to cut it. Most contractors are marking up their stuff, right? They're going for a 40% margin, which means that on a $100,000 project, they are bringing in 40 grand. So now those 5 projects bring in them 200 grand. Now they can actually hire a couple people at 40 or 50,000 a year to actually help them out with stuff. They can go and actually, they don't have to do everything themselves because they're actually charging enough. So if you're struggling with that and you're like, I don't know how I can rationalize getting from 20% to 40%, I would love to help you. If you go to homelove.construction and you submit a contact form and you reach out for some help, I would be happy to help you. We help contractors with this all the time. In fact, if this is something that you're struggling with and you're like, man, I just want to be able to just get involved with a brand where I can just do this right away, we can actually do a Home Love Construction franchise with you. We actually offer franchises where you get to just plug into our systems. You know, we've spent 5 years building an amazing system for construction that allows me to get here and do videos like this all the time. If you want to plug into that system and plug into our brand name, you can go to homelove.construction/franchise and you can actually open a Home Love Construction franchise. It's something that we do. So if you're interested in all of that, you want to get your pricing right and you want to actually make money from contracting. By the way, if you're a client who's looking at this and you're like 40%, that's what it actually takes. Like, I'm sorry that it's not 20%. Like, it is what it is. I can't live off of $2 off of every 10. Like, nobody can. It's not realistic because there's too much, like, your expectations are higher than that. And I want to get you your expectations. So if you're a client, that little nice message is for you. But that said, if you got value out of this video and you're a contractor and you want help, you can go to homelove.construction, fill out a contact form, or you can go to homelove.construction/franchise, see what that's all about. And of course, as always, you can hit the subscribe button because it makes me feel nice. And I like seeing the subscriber number ticking up. Be sure you hit the bell as well so you get the notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.